What's up, guys? Welcome back. Continuing with the toy versions of the Five Nights at Freddy's animatronics. This is Toy Chica. Yeah, they're kind of like more polished versions. I think it's just Foxy then after this. I don't think I drew Foxy either. Alright, let's try. Landscape page. Pencil eraser. Hit pause. If I go too fast, we're going to start with our eyes. Kind of square eyes. So just up here, we'll go with a... They're not like perfect square. It's like curved there. And then it's like a curvy square, curved on top. And then we'll bring it down. And then it goes in and back to where we started. Like that. You do this on the other side. So just come over here. Start there. It's like a mirror image. Doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. And then down. And then across. Like that. So then in there we have her pink eyes, right? So she has big eyelash and eyelid sort of lines, right? So it goes like across here. There is like a shadow in the corner. It's like it makes her eyelid look round. So it goes like dark in there. And then a little bit down here too. And the bottom eyelid just comes around here. And then big blue eyes. Big blue circle. And then a black pupil. And these animatronics have like real like blue eyes, so you could add some, like they actually have like lines on them. You could do that with color though if you wanted. And then the eyelashes will like go up from here then, real big. Right, we go to the other side, so then a big eyelid line again. And it's kind of like curved here, so with the shadow part. And then the bottom eyelid. And then the blue iris. Pupil. And then some lines along here. Big eyelashes then. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 would be enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 5 might be enough, but I'll do 6. How many of those 6 there? Keep it even both sides. Eyebrows. So very simple. Eyebrows coming across here. And on this side. And then her duck beak. Although it's a chicken, isn't it? It's a chick. That's why it's called Chica. So it curves around. Bring it in. Down to the front, back up. Around like that. And then there's like a nostril either side. And then the bottom of her beak, it's kind of a round sort of shape just coming around here. And it has an inside line, curves around here. And she has like a little shadow in the corner of the mouth. Just there. Right, and then there's these like square sort of teeth. Like this. And it kind of goes in the back then. She have a tongue? No, no tongue. Just dark in there. Right, so then rosy pink cheeks. Either side of her beak. And then a big round head. So just beside the cheek, you could start the bottom chin line, just going this way. And then this will go all the way up around her eyebrows. And you know, if it's hard to get the shape, you know, sketch it out lightly a bit first, you know, rub out your mistakes. Because shapes like that can be a bit tricky, you know, to get it not too skinny or not too wide. So take your time. And then we go up for her hair. There's these three sort of feathers, I think that's what they are anyway. And then another. And then around here. Okay, so she has that bib on, the Let's Party bib. I'll do the letters last. It's like a specific kind of text, so it's a bit tricky. We'll get the rest in first. So like the body sort of starts here, goes behind the bib. So imagine it keeps going here and then it comes down. And this yellow part's like floating over the pink section that's like here. So it looks like there's like an inside part to this. And then her shoulder, so it's like a circle. It's ball and socket joint, so it's actually a ball. And then the long sort of bicep, tricep area here. And this goes behind that cake thing, the cupcake. So there's just a couple of lines like that. And the cupcake blocks it off. We can see her forearm here and her hand. And then the other side, big sort of cylinder sort of shape. And here, another ball that connects to the forearm, which goes down that way. Right, and then I know this guy has a name, but I can't remember. But this cupcake, we'll do this. Curve it around. Got that pink icing, wavy. And then the sponge part. And then the eyes. White eyes in there. And then similar eyes to Chica. These blue, large blue ones. There's a candle, So we just go up either side. It's kind of a plastic flame, so it's like solid looking. And it has blue lines. And then the plate. That the cupcake sits on. Like so. And then her fingers, right? So the fingers are like underneath the plate, so it's like they're coming towards us. So you can just see kind of like a series of like round of circles, right? So 1, 2, 3, and I guess this is supposed to be the thumb? Question mark? Maybe. Okay, and then the fingers all go back underneath, right? So you'll just go down for all these like round sort of finger shapes. The last one kind of is a bit square on top. It has like an extra line, but you don't have to worry about that if you don't. It's just an extra piece of detail. And then here, so they're kind of like longer. The thumb kind of sticks out the other way. So they're kind of a little bit different to the rest. And then just like the back of her hand, you know, just a little bit. You can't see all of it now, but just like that. And then we'll finish off this plate that is kind of sitting on her hand then. Okay, and then I'll just add some of the Let's Party. There's loads of colorful triangles, but like that's done with color. They're not really drawn in. So you could do that if you wanted. But let's just do a simple Let's Party. And you could do some of the yellow and red around it if you wanted with color. Let's do it the easy way first anyway. It's like bubble lettering. So let's... It's like this. And like one of these. Let's party. Like that. Toy Chica. And they are like slightly scuffed up. They're not like completely withered or anything, but you know, there is like little bits of dirt and stuff on them. But not much. Alrighty. Toy Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.